Hey there, I'm TJ Stecker, and welcome to Fireside Writer. If you're a crime fiction writer who wants to get better at the craft, who wants to write both thrillers and mysteries that are commercially successful and literarily ambitious, this channel is for you. Let me tell you what it's all about and why I think you'll want to stick around. First, a little about me. I'm a former Navy aviator and lawyer who writes crime fiction. I've written 2 unpublished novels, Redacted and The Moth, stories about family secrets, military conspiracies, and small-town corruption set in the mountains of North Carolina. I'm currently agented and seeking traditional publication. I'm not a writing guru who has it all figured out. I'm a working writer in the trenches, just like you, trying to get better at this craft we love. And that's exactly the perspective I bring to this channel. Someone figuring it out alongside you, sharing what I'm learning as I learn. So what can you expect from Fireside Writer? First, the I Want to Write Like series. This is where I dive deep into the masters of crime fiction. Authors like Michael Connelly, Dennis Lehane, Cormac McCarthy, Thomas Harris. I'm not just summarizing their books or gushing about how great they are. I'm breaking down why they work, what techniques they use, how they build tension, develop characters, create atmosphere, and most importantly, what we can learn from them and apply to our own writing. Second, practical craft advice. Real strategies for overcoming writer's block, structuring your manuscript, writing compelling villains, balancing commercial appeal with literary quality. All the challenges we face when we're actually trying to write a book. Third, the publishing journey. I'm documenting my own path toward traditional publication, the rejections, the small victories, and the lessons learned. If you want to pursue traditional publication, you'll see what the process looks like from the inside. And finally, Write With Me sessions. Focused writing time where we sit down together and get words on the page. No distractions, just progress. There's a lot of generic writing advice out there. Show, don't tell. Write what you know. Kill your darlings. We've all heard it 1,000 times. What I want to do is go deeper. I want to understand why Dennis Lehane's dialogue crackles with authenticity, how Thomas Harris makes you empathize with damaged characters, what Michael Connelly does to make procedural details compelling and not boring. This channel is for writers who want to understand craft at a deeper level, who believe crime fiction can be both entertaining and meaningful, who want to study the best and learn from them. If that sounds like you, I'd love to have you join the community. Hit that subscribe button now. It helps the channel grow and reach other writers who are serious about improving their craft. This is just the beginning. I've got so much planned for this channel, and I'm excited to share this journey with you. Thanks for being here. Now let's go write something great. I'll see you in the next one.